In this video, I am going to show you how to save YouTube video to watch offline. To save the video, tap the video and scroll left, and you will find here download. Click on download, and this video is download restricted by the owner, so I can't download this video. Click on not now, and I'm going to another video. Tap the video and scroll left. Click on download. Here you will find medium quality and low quality. By default, low quality is selected. You can select medium quality, or you can select full HD or high quality, and you have to pay for it. I am selecting medium quality and click on download. The video is downloading. Download finish. Now I am going to show you how to watch it offline. Click on your profile icon and you will find here downloads option. Click on downloads. The video is saved in downloads. Now I am disconnecting my internet and click on the video, and the video is playing successfully in offline. That's it.